Hey Kids Cook Real Food, Mrs. Kimball here, and I've got all the kids, and we are going to show you how we do lunch packing for school lunches. We generally pack 3 or 4 lunches every single day, and it's always crazy and it's always different. And basically what we do is look in the fridge and we look at what we've done, what we've eaten that night and the last couple nights. We try to pack things that we've just eaten as leftovers, right? As we're putting away the leftovers, that is strategy number 1 for saving time, is as you're putting away leftovers, like leftover meat, veggies that you had at dinner, like carrot sticks or cucumbers that you didn't get all the way through, put those things right into the lunchbox instead of storing them in the fridge. Super, super time saver. So our lunches, again, are always different. We might have some fruit, we might have some raw vegetables, we might have frozen peas, we always have a yogurt with frozen fruit. And sometimes we make special things for lunches like crepes or egg salad, or we have leftover potato salad. Today we're going to show you all those things and just how we kind of put it together. But again, some of the strategies are to pack right from dinner, and then we just think about filling the squares. We use a lot of bento boxes. So the boxes have different little squares, and as we look at those, we just think if we've filled the squares with 4 different things, different colors, different food groups, then we're probably doing pretty well, and we know what box size fits each child's appetite. So we could get the kids involved in helping and making some decisions, but we also just make sure that we have really balanced lunches.
We're ready to pack our lunch.
We pack homemade yogurt with frozen fruit every day, and as soon as the kids are old enough, they learn how to put those together. Usually we pack 2 sets, 2 days, so that saves time in batching. Today we have these fun crepes. We'll show you how we made those on the news and what we put in them.
Well, Katie Kimball from the Kids Cook Real Food E-course is here to share some great new ideas. No sandwiches in sight. I don't see a peanut butter and jelly sandwich anywhere here.
No. So my goal is to show parents how easy lunch packing can be. You don't have to make special recipes, although we did bring a recipe to show. We're going to make some grain-free crepes today. Leah's mixing up some batter. What do you got here?
I have 1/8 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons coconut flour, and 6 eggs.
Yeah, so it's mostly egg. These are high protein, low starch, because we don't need to be zooping the kids' blood sugar up for the afternoon so that they crash right when they need to learn. And even if you just run out of bread one morning and you're like, oh, I don't have anything to put my sandwich toppings in, you can whip these up super quickly. John's actually demonstrating how we use them for an afternoon snack as well, with a little kind of a pizza thing. So sauce, cheese, salami, stuff like that. So we would just put that in the toaster oven for a few minutes.
Is it one of those things that kind of takes on the taste of whatever you put on it, kind of a thing?
Yes.
It's more there to hold everything together.
Exactly. Right. It's a delivery vehicle for the good insides. And so we did bring a bunch of different lunches here. And we've put in egg salad, we put in lunch meat and cheese, we've got like some leftover chicken somewhere over there. And so it's just all about thinking about what's going to nourish your kids' bodies and how can you fill the squares, is what I always say. You know, I love these containers because they set out, it's like a game plan, right? If I can think of a couple different things to go in those squares and balance it out, the kids can pack them themselves as young as kindergarten.
And you said that some of these boxes and the little containers and stuff you've had since he was a little smaller.
Yes, I mean, yeah, Paul is in middle school, and we've had these since he was in kindergarten, so they're super durable. They may seem like a big investment up front, but they're not going to be breaking and having to replace them every back to school time.
And these recipes are great, but what I love about it is, of course, your e-course that helps get kids in the kitchen.
Yes, absolutely. We always want to get kids working with food and experiencing food, because that's how we help them own it, right? I don't want my kids to eat healthy for 18 years and then give up. So I want to send them off with skills and the ability to understand what real food is and how to nourish their bodies.
At what age do you think is the appropriate time to get kids in the kitchen and helping?
2.
Yeah?
18 months. As soon as they can possibly pick up a butter knife and tackle a banana, we get them in there, because actually there's research coming out from like foreign countries where kids are doing a lot of chores, and they go, why are these kids doing chores? And it's because the parents never stopped. They started when the kids wanted to help at age 2. At age 2 and 3, they're like, Mom, can I help? Can I dust? Can I come in the kitchen, right? And if you can keep that going and never break that motivation, they actually want to do chores at age 8.
No, I will. Now, Bronson has picked up on it. If I have a vacuum, he has a play vacuum, and he does help me vacuum that way. Maybe we can keep that going. The kitchen thing is slightly terrifying to me at his age right now, but I can see where you'd make it work. You would make it work.
It's a lot about getting over yourself, which
Okay,
is
yes.
difficult.
Good advice. Good advice there. And you probably learned too, you start introducing some of this stuff early on, the heirloom tomatoes, the hummus in our house is big, the avocados. I didn't know what hummus and avocados was until I was probably in college.
Yeah,
You know?
I really see this pendulum swinging back toward healthy food for kids, and it's so exciting, right? Let's do the fruits and let's do the vegetables. Look at these beautiful tomatoes from the farmer's market, these cute little plums. Like, these are no harder to pack than convenience food.
These are right here?
Yeah, those are plums, aren't they, darling?
Oh, those are so cute.
So convenience food is packaged by nature. It really is. We don't have to buy the junk with 50 ingredients just
Sure.
to make it simple.